Welcome to Smart Buys. Discover a collection of innovative home, kitchen, and lifestyle essentials designed to simplify daily living. From smart appliances to versatile cleaning tools, comfort upgrades, and creative gadgets. All products links in the description section below. Wake up to barista-level coffee without leaving home. This 3-in-1 espresso machine blends convenience with creativity, brewing rich espresso, smooth drip, or chilled cold brew. With guided settings, fresh grinding, and silky froth, it transforms your daily ritual into pure cafe bliss. Why not taste the upgrade today? Seal your craft creations with confidence using this powerful concealing machine. Designed for precision and durability, it's perfect for small businesses and homebrewers alike. From kombucha to cold brew, enjoy airtight freshness every time because your drinks deserve professional quality too. Stay fresh and organized with this smart salad pod that keeps every ingredient perfectly crisp until you're ready to mix. Ideal for busy days, travel, or meal prep. It's leak-proof, reusable, and eco-friendly. Healthy eating just got easier. Why not pack freshness your way? Cleaning just got simpler and smarter with this powerful vacuum cleaner. From deep carpets to delicate floors, it tackles dust, pet hair, and allergens with ease. Lightweight, versatile, and built for comfort, it's your everyday partner for a fresher, healthier home, ready to lift away the mess. Tame laundry chaos with this spacious, sturdy hamper that keeps clothes neatly sorted and out of sight. Its foldable design, durable fabric, and easy carry handles make tidying effortless. Perfect for families or couples. Stylish, practical, and ready to simplify your laundry routine every single week. Streamline your ironing routine with this space-saving wall-mounted board. Its foldable design, adjustable height, and built-in iron holder bring comfort and safety to every press. Perfect for compact spaces, neat, sturdy, and efficient. Ready to make laundry day a little smoother and smarter. Chill your drinks in style with this innovative cylinder ice mold, perfectly sized for 40 ounces tumblers. Its slow melting cubes keep flavors pure and refreshing, while the flexible, food-grade silicone makes removal effortless. Upgrade your sipping experience because every cool moment deserves a perfect, lasting chill. Make cleaning and watering effortless with these versatile washer nozzles. Designed for gentle yet effective rinsing, they're perfect for solar panel, cars, plants, and patios alike. Durable, quick connect, and easy to use, they turn everyday chores into smooth, refreshing moments, ready to spray smarter, not harder. Clean smarter with this dual-chamber spin mop that ensures every swipe uses fresh water only. Its hands-free ringing, reusable microfiber heads, and 360 swivel reach make mopping effortless. Safe on all floors, it saves time, money, and energy, perfect for spotless, hassle-free cleaning every day. Experience comfort anywhere with this premium air mattress that inflates in minutes and supports your body all night long. Its durable, waterproof design and portable carry case make it perfect for guests, camping, or travel. Sleep soundly because great rest should go wherever you do. Power meets portability with this compact mini desktop that delivers lightning-fast performance through AppleSim for chip. Small enough to fit anywhere yet powerful enough for creative pros, it connects seamlessly with your devices. Big performance, tiny footprint, ready to elevate your workspace with effortless efficiency. Keep your pool crystal clear with this smart pool vacuum cleaner that scrubs every surface floor, walls, and waterline with precision. Its cordless design, app control, and auto parking make maintenance effortless. Powerful, quiet, and long-lasting, ready to dive into a cleaner, carefree swimming experience. Say goodbye to buzzing pests with this safe, effective indoor bug zapper. Using high-intensity light and no chemicals, it attracts and eliminates insects naturally, perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, and patios. Quiet, easy to clean, and pet safe, ready to enjoy peaceful, pest-free nights. Step into comfort every day with this innovative shoe dryer that eliminates dampness fast. Its telescopic, bendable design reaches every corner, while gentle heat protects your gear. Quiet, efficient, and versatile, it's perfect for shoes, boots, and gloves. Ready to keep your footwear fresh and dry. Bring cafe warmth home with Rosso Cafe's holiday coffee pods, crafted for rich espresso moments in every Nespresso original machine. From cozy pumpkin spice to festive holiday blends, each sip feels like a seasonal hug. Ready to savor the season, one cup at a time. Elevate your entertainment with this dynamic TV LED backlight featuring RGB color effects that sync beautifully with your music and mood. Controlled by app or voice, it's easy to install and endlessly customizable, turning every movie night into an immersive, colorful experience you'll love to unwind with. Make snack prep effortless with this sharp, ergonomic apple core that removes cores in one smooth motion. Durable, dishwasher safe, and easy to grip, it's perfect for apples, pears, and more. Quick, clean, and satisfying, ready to enjoy perfectly cored fruit every time. Host unforgettable meals with this 2-in-1 electric hot pot and grill that lets you cook soups and BBQ simultaneously. Featuring dual temperature control, non-stick coating, and low smoke design, it's perfect for gatherings or everyday dinners. Easy to clean, fun to use, ready to cook, share, and savor. Keep your workspace organized and efficient with this 9-drawer metal tool chest. Smooth ball bearing slides, non-slip liners, and a secure lock system make it both practical and durable. Perfect for garages, workshops, or home projects, everything stays tidy, protected, and ready when you are. Enjoy fresh, cold draft beer anytime with the SPT Mini Kegerator. Designed for 5-liter kegs, it features CO pressure control, adjustable digital temperature, and sleek stainless steel housing, bringing the bar experience home with effortless pouring and perfect chilling every time. The Force Blower offers a powerful 5.2 HP motor that dries pet coats quickly and efficiently while reducing grooming time. With adjustable heat, variable airflow, and for versatile nozzles, it ensures thorough drying, quiet operation, and professional quality grooming results, all from the comfort of home. This cordless leaf blower delivers over 50 meters per second of airflow with a 980,000 RPM turbine motor for powerful, efficient cleaning. Lightweight at just 1.12 pounds, it includes 21 volts batteries, quick charging, and temperature protection, perfect for effortlessly maintaining clean patios, gardens, and outdoor spaces. Turn your creative visions into professional quality embroidery with this advanced machine. Designed for hats, caps, and more, it offers high-speed precision, low noise, and smart automation, perfect for hobbyists or small businesses ready to elevate their stitching projects effortlessly and professionally. Stay prepared wherever you go with this pocket-sized power band flashlight. Just 1 minute of cranking gives 10 minutes of bright light, no batteries needed. Perfect for travel, camping, or emergencies, it's the ultimate eco-friendly companion for your outdoor adventures and everyday readiness. Start your morning smarter with this innovative 4-slice smart toaster. Featuring a tilt control touchscreen, breaded presets, and memory function, it delivers perfectly toasted bagels, waffles, and breads every time, energy efficient, customizable, and easy to clean for a seamless breakfast experience. Experience cafe-quality coffee at home with the Casabrews espresso machine. Its 20-bar Italian pump ensures rich aroma and flavor, while the powerful steam wand creates velvety microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos. Compact, durable, and stylish, this stainless steel machine brings barista-level performance to your kitchen effortlessly. Simplify laundry days with the automatic ironing machine, your hands-free solution to wrinkle-free clothes. Its 360 steam care smooths, dries, and refreshes garments in minutes. Compact, foldable, and remote-controlled, it delivers professional results effortlessly while saving time, space, and expensive dry cleaning costs. Turn any space into your personal theater with this smart projector. Compact yet powerful, it streams your favorite apps, mirrors devices wirelessly, and projects 180 onto ceilings or walls. Perfect for cozy nights, travel, or family movie time. Cinema Magic now fits in your hand. The Shark Stain Striker delivers powerful cleaning in a compact design, combining dual-activated formulas with ultra-strong suction to remove deep stains and odors. Ideal for carpets, upholstery, cars, and pet messes. Lightweight, portable, and always ready to restore your fabrics to like new freshness anywhere. This magnetic door stopper combines strength and style with its durable zinc alloy build and double magnet design. It securely holds heavy doors, protects walls from impact, and installs easily, no drilling required. Ideal for any room, offering safety, convenience, and a sleek modern finish. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home and kitchen finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comments section below.